Panapa pane tsamba inonzi elect letter aiwa yamuchinguri sana pena mashoko amudanyuka panapa dobo subscribe or like on the bell icon tipina mudanyuka muchinzi the national chairman of ZANU-PF comrade opa muchinguri 22 June 2025 ndiye muchinguri RE and procedural co-option of Tagwirei into the Central Committee. I'm writing to express my deep concern regarding the recent co-option of Kuda Tagwirei into the Central Committee of ZANU-PF. Based on the party's constitution, it appears that this decision does not conform to the established rules and procedures. Specifically, the constitution outlines clear headlines for both membership and leadership positions. Tagwirei's elevation to the Central Committee, despite being only a SL member, does not meet the required criteria. According to the constitution, waivers are typically granted to individuals who have previously held security positions in government or who are government employees. Failure to observe the party's own constitution as well as the constitution of Zimbabwe undermines the principles of accountability, transparency, and fairness. It also raises concerns about the party's commitment to upholding its rules and the broader rule of law. I urge the leadership of ZANU-PF to review this decision and ensure it aligns with the party's constitution. The people of Zimbabwe deserve leaders who are genuinely committed to the principles of democracy, accountability, and good governance. Anobvanyora institutional structure muri kuona kanzi cell member 1 year before election, branch structure 2 years before election, district structure 3 years before elevation, DCC 4 years, provincial structure 5 years. Tagwirei no structure no membership. Tomashoko ari kuatulana nyaya yavo vachiti munozoona kuti muri kuvhaleta mutemo zvamuri kuita muchielevheta Tagwirei. Aiwa, mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino atiri kuona this is the letter yanyorerwa vana comrade opa muchinguri. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu mufunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.